star destinations. We're here right now. We're gonna do a quick room tour of the RIU Montego Bay double ocean front. Okay, let's get this going. This resort is only located 10 minutes from the airport. Right there, very close. It's an adults only resort. It does not have exchange privileges to Rio Reggae and Rio Palace. So anyway, let's get this room tour going. I'll start off in the bathroom, like always, double sink. I love me some double sink, you know what I'm saying? The towels, and, you know, the good stuff, the bath stuff, soap, whatever. Okay, shower, not double head, but it's all good. Looks nice, look nice. There's the closet, the safe box. Always place your passport in the safe box all the time, right? And your money, all your valuables. The blankets. This is a mini bar. They give you water. You know, mini fridge, beer, red stripe, red straight. Let's go, let's go. This is the double. So yes, you can see it's pushed together, but you can separate them as well, all right? Just remember, you can't separate the beds. Full size mirror, ow, ow. Let's get this going, TV, a ceiling fan. Sofa bed with the drawers, and let's look at the view, y'all. Oh shit. Also have probably open the door. Look at my view. This is the beachfront. It's definitely beachfront, right? You don't get pool service. Just to let y'all know that I do not get pool service at the RIU Montego Bay. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so cheers. There you go. This is the double ocean front room. Think of the room, right? It's not bad. It's cool. I love the view. Something about the ocean view, like we feel like I'm on a real vacation, y'all. Anyway, like, subscribe, comment, and if you're ready to book your next Jamaica vacation with any star destination, holla at your girl. Thanks for watching.